Welcome to the 28th installment of Quest, Descent. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Descent features 3 unique color presets, as well as tools to immerse yourself in a subaquatic realm through your edits. Adobe AI masks separate the subject and background, submerging the background in shades of blue while keeping natural skin tones for your subject. Descent 01, overall vibrant aquamarine hues with natural skin tones, cobalt blue shadows and coral reds, lemon yellows, emerald greens. Descent 02, warm neutral variation with navel blue shadows, seaweed greens, and a touch of rose gold. Descent 03, moody variation with deeper thunderstorm blue shadows, glimmering champagne midtones, and pine greens. Descent Vibrance Profile, lower the profile for cooler rose tones and reduce contrast with crushed shadows. Raise the profile for a glaze of citron hues, deepen shadows and contrast. Descent Profile, lower the profile for lifted shadows, warm glow, and lower contrast. Raise the profile for dramatic shadows and slate blue cinematic overtone. Abyss, dramatic vignette that can be adjusted using the preset slider for a subtle, shallow vignette or bold, fathomless dark border. Euphotic Light, evoking the layer of the ocean where sunlight still permeates the water. Euphotic light adds sunlit warmth and illumination to your subject and adds a slight golden tone to the background. Specular reflection, like the surface of water reflecting the glitter of sun or moonlight. Specular reflection adds mask layers that give the effect of light leaks on film. Lastly, the grain mask adds a mask of light grain that can be adjusted to your preference using Lightroom's preset amount slider.